Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to feed favorite food to Maltese and Retriever in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a collaborations with Maltese, and in here you can interact with Maltese and Retriever at the forest island, this area, and you can feed them to earn special rewards. To unlock those rewards, you need to increase your bond level, and like this. And to increase your bond level, you can feed this Maltese and Retriever, and then you can also interact regularly. But here is the trick to make it faster. Make sure you give them their favorite foods, which are meat, and then dog food, and then grilled mushroom. Just feeding their favorite food, and by feeding their favorite food like this will give you more bond points compared to the normal food. And also just try feeding them during their favorite weather, which is sunny weather, and this will give you even more bonus points and help you level up your bond mass quicker. So use the right food and the right timing to maximize your rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.